Welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
Sorry, I saw Gimundi protocol.
What up, ladies
and gentlemen? Guys, you know who it is? The Jack by different versions. The better time.
Yes,
and we are back. I am back like I never left, man. And it's the 20th episode of Culture Convo podcast. Yeah. It's been quite a beautiful journey. It's been quite a long one. We're on the 20th episode. And fortunate enough. And I'm here with
Sooner for your message with the problematic mom. The only got plenty of
Ginger.
Sorry.
Yo. And I'm not alone now. I'm also with my cutie pie. The sweet don, the Bayhive.
What's up, guys? It's Miss B, the sweetest and fabulous honey bee, and I'm sweeter than honey itself, and I'm the hottest bee in the beehive. And I'm of course with the big dog, the top dog, my partner in crime, you know?
Hello everybody, Barry Ukai winning the list of dogs because we're dealing with a top dog. My name is Nathan Klamadi Makubalo. Really, boy.
Of course,
It's correct.
Johnny Zimbo.
Masambe Choma. Vele ube yi-poet xa ugowa. Vele uthi wena mhethi ungubani na. Wena wayintyumfuza inhliziyo yami. Ngabe ucinga ungubani na.
Sorry.
Alright, otherwise we speak. Otherwise we speak.
Yeah.
Guys, disclaimer, I am sick. My voice will be,
shaky,
very shaky, you know. Otherwise, we are proudly sponsored by Privileged Lifestyle Forum, House Kaya Kulu, Istebe Senjoli, Mkotwa Residence, Baza Photography, and of course, Nature Plan Motor, Noba Umboni Goku, but thank you very much.
Otherwise, we on the 10th month.
Of the year.
Of the year.
2 more months that this 25.
Apele. Click it.
Sorry.
Akafilo insini.
Sorry. Yazi basingaqolisi kakhulu ngokebengekho. Ngofuneka simane sithi
yoxolo. Thomba singaxolisi ku Jack.
Oh. Hayi kaloku umphathi wami.
Singaxolisi ku Jack.
Umphathi wami.
Kuboss ubhuti.
Boss. Andiboxanelisa.
But you are back. Oh, I'm done con. But I am back.
Yes, dala slap.
Okay. How are you doing, Mansino?
Neki sharp. Nenbona? Di happy.
From Ingowo to
di happy. Benala ngishaya ndigowa.
In denial.
Yabona into isemntwini. Ngoba ufuna uzonwabisa. Di happy namhlanje kazi ndisemuthi negrand. Ndisemuthi nemandi nyani.
Yes.
Ndisemuthi nemnandi.
Yes.
Bibi. My honey bee.
Hello, Lala.
The hottest in the beehive.
Yes.
How are you feeling, my dear?
I was always.
How you they do?
Ngimocha ngawe. Ngimocha. I'll keep it at that.
Yeah.
Top dog.
It's a nut.
No, I say.
It's a nut.
So good.
This thing is a rotation thing. I'm correct.
Mr. Jack?
No. Sicela i-sponsor se-tissues and
Twin Saver. Twin Saver. Sicela usondele. Kleenex. Sicela usondele. Lilets. Whatever. Wet wipes, tissue brand. We ask and plead with you that you must send Johnson kaloku zonke izicompany ndisibizayo. I presume that they are under Johnson & Johnson. Sicela ubeka i-tissue apha because Nature Plan Water apparently does not have tissues. It's just water you know. So we need tissues and water and all of that nonsense. It's because ice cream siyayicela nature plain water siyayicela ne-ice cream. Sicela i-tissue because asana zimbupo zinkwitsho zingowo ayibo bunewu at all.
So
Thank you.
Talk to
Top
us. Talk to us. How are you feeling?
Oh my love.
State
Silapha, this is a safe space.
Because I did guys,
Thanks, Mama.
guys, I did see ukuthi
Zimbuso zakhe.
because I did see last episode abantu bekhala. It was very emotional. With therapist at that point.
Hey,
The
I
abandonment.
needed a notepad
Dick
because I
Johnny.
felt like I was their therapist. And Sanaban Singlish are out with the outfit selection. It was
Bonile
white and
white.
black. Mnandi ngcebe
Oh,
I was like, oh,
And enjoy
Yes, I think
But it's fine. Kaya Kulu.
Nifuna
Black and
ukukhanya.
white. We're
Bakhanye.
moaning your feelings. Yes, gone.
Okay. So talk to us.
I don't feel
How
like
are you?
crying. Benhlal.
Oh.
Yeah.
If you say so. Yes, because
Yeah.
okay, that's fine.
I feel like Renyan.
The grand mda.
Nile is a river.
Yeah.
In Egypt.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yazi, there's something that just popped into my mind.
Yeah.
Because September there was supposed to call it Eastern Cape Awards.
Yeah.
Literally, I was asking Ayole.
Yeah.
When did I ask you? I think it was the last week or something. Okay, the first week of October was like, did the awards actually happen?
No.
Because Uchek was supposed to go there.
No.
Yeah.
We did see a post that they are postponed. I'm not quite sure to
What
which
reasons?
time. Yeah, but I feel like it's a. But I'm afraid because this is a platform to
Educate,
to
uplift,
educate and
awareness
uplift,
and stuff. And
but I
stuff.
do feel like it's a scam somehow because because I can't really because I have a friend that actually went through those nominations, not too spicy, but another friend that actually tried because
Yeah.
don't reveal the name, but he actually did go through other way to research ukuthi how do people get nominated. Because I personally do believe ukuthi you get nominated but they
emotion.
choose you. If they want to nominate me as Jack, they will say, Jack, you've been nominated. And yiphana and say, "Diyanicela man guys,
Fanele nominated.
Fanele nominated. You get me?" So I feel like it's scam siqale phayana.
To the point that people can
Actually nominate
They
themselves.
nominated themselves.
Yes.
Some.
Unfortunately, some
were nominated
allegedly.
authentically. Allegedly, some were nominated authentically, which was like they asked them, "Bah, yo, Sino, we like your craft and stuff.
Yeah.
And stuff. We'd like to nominate you."
Yeah.
Yeah.
The random Shela that passes by the street,
Available comedian.
you know, can just
Chai.
text and be like, "Can I get nominated?" And then you'll get your poster
Because
of nomination.
because even I personally I did go through that process whereby I said that they should nominate me as a comedian.
And you did get his poster.
I did get my post. I did send myself, but I feel, you know what? No, this is not a platform to discriminate and stuff.
Yeah, but gay.
But I just did want
Awareness.
to highlight the awareness to people. I feel like yes, we deserve our flowers, we deserve our awards.
Yeah.
But guys, please just wait for your time because I do believe we all have time.
There's a season, guys.
Yes. Ava will get nominated in a corner. I will get our awards in a corner.
Yes.
Because yeah, man, I unfortunately, yeah.
Moral of the story is
Moral of the story.
you'll be awarded at your time.
At your time.
right time.
Yes.
Suzicelela.
Yeah.
Suzicelela.
Should uzicelele, there's something wrong you're doing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Otherwise, I did go to a all-white party, Spice, on the 11th of October. Unfortunately, and then Ania's been but we did go. We rocked white. I felt like we're in heaven. Heaven, come take life to heaven. Hi, sing at somewhere because this wave. Do you feel me?
Yeah.
But I do not want to make any. Do you get me?
Awuthungixelele ba kwenzeke ntoni because andikho impressed. Andikabikho impressed.
So
Ingasungixelele ba yo I would
Kwathini,
understand
kwathini?
ba unibrekele ngoba ubone my favorite TikToker which is Uvusela SA.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Uyandiphazamisa.
Damn, yeah.
I would understand ba ubunibrekele.
Akuthi ungabreki.
Awuduze nento
No,
tangible to me
yeah,
and say Bianca, ndaye ku all right, ndaye MC, I did this, I met two and then I drank this, I drank a sex on the beach cocktail, you know. Bring
Yeah,
the news.
you know, mnakum, there's no one a celebrity. And dim.
I
Yo,
can't do
I
celebrity.
apha.
Nditi. I would like it for you to tell me that you saw, and I even said my favorite TikToker, Uyanphazamsa, because I sent you that personal video. I personally sent you a video. They said to me, this sounds like you.
Yeah.
Literally.
Oh,
Uyanphazamsa.
Uyanphazamsa.
Yeah.
So-
I literally
Okay.
bring the spice, man. Like spicy. Bring the spice. Because I was not there.
Okay. So nanzenenzekayo. So I have to go through the story ngoku.
Yes. Because
so,
kaloku shiye apha thina.
Ushiya apha nyani?
Sasila
Ajob before ihambe nam.
buzawuqhabalaka mntasiba kwathi you know.
no man. No, it's I can't big. We're just chilling with abantu endibaziyo because I did see Uvusela, as you just
Yes.
mentioned. I did see Abuti photos. I did see Khanyisa, Charlie. I did see Jazzy Q. I did
See, you met with Jazzy Q. Like, that's a big thing. Because Jazzy Q is a big thing.
No. So, no, look Jazzy Q. Look Jazzy Q. Ngo Jazzy Q.
Kimang,
Kum Jazzy.
Jazzy.
Some.
Sorry.
But not
Jazzy.
not. Jazzy Q. Jazzy ngenye level engapha.
Hayibo. Jazzy Q for
Yeah, no, I did see GQ. I did see
GQ exclusive.
Yeah.
That's also a thing because Hayibo, he's a big guy. He's a big thing.
Yeah,
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did see DJ Chad, of course, and DJ Yoni, but DJ says here. But
familiar with
so the thing is, ndiphuma phandle, ndiba ndiphuma phandle, ndiyambana man nguvusela lo. Nguvusela man lo. I didn't know ukuthi uzoba phasi since uzoperforma ingoma yakhe no Spice.
Leyo bele.
Ngeyakhe yezwe leka Dlamini I think so. But ingoma yakhe no Spice nguntinga ntaka.
Oh, the one who Spicy was afraid to release.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the one. Yeah.
Kumbula kaloku episode city has a song that he's
Oh.
like afraid to release due to copyright.
Yeah. So yiyo leyo. And also
I haven't
it's
listened to
a good song. It's a really good song. It's a really good song. Shout out to my guy. And also I did so ndiphuma phandle and then ndibona Uvusela outside Papi's Lounge. Ndincokola noZange and stuff. Because I'm just
That guy.
I'm that guy. You know, I should approach it. I also grand. No man, I feel like I feel like you're not comfortable because I do not want you to feel unwelcomed. The event
in your hometown.
Yeah, in King Williamstown and in one of my bros events. Do you get me? So no man ngena phakathi and he was chilled. We were able to chill. We exchanged in numbers. So yeah, and
Yamazi Jenna. Yamazi umngane wethu nje. Yamazi.
Because
Yeah.
Nasha, I'm in that position, I would be afraid to
Yeah.
approach my favorite TikTok. Like I saw, side note, I saw
problem.
Usin Jason D, the King was Tofuza Eplo House. He was once we weekend.
It was
khona.
Nkulu.
It was
Jack
Nkulu. Klonyaka. I think Klonyaka, if not last
Yeah,
time.
I think Klonyaka.
Ne. Ndabona, I freaked out to check. I was like, Nangu Jason D. And then check Upolelo, of course, because he's that guy. So,
Hey.
he's like, I'm not aware of this guy, Utata guy. I'm like, okay, fine, but this is the king of his tufus. And then I like that guy, but he's pro thick women. And I
Yeah.
like the fact that he promotes thick women because this is a society that is like bashful and hateful towards thick women. So I like Landayenza, and as a man, I like Landayenza. So I was like, "Got bash brand as a hi, I love your content and stuff." I failed. So I couldn't do that. Chomi.
Of number, guys,
Utubele number.
I
Imagine Ghana baka Beyonce guys. Damn.
no man. It's Jack.
Hey, okay. Damn.
No, I feel
man.
like I feel like it's a matter of the thing is I've always told myself good ndim. I won't even I do not care never from your hometown or celebrity or whatsoever.
Kuwe
Fika
ngumuntu.
nithi kamani ku right ndiyima mna ndinguJack mna I'm the entertainer up Dimbaza ndiphethe this and this and this. I have everything in No, man. Do you get me?
Banye bantwana.
So I feel like
Confidence.
it's a matter of not showing these guys, but you are a fan. Because the minute you show them that you are a fan, think about.
Ngabo ngabo.
They
because-
get a big head.
Yeah, because I even saw Flash on the 4th of so the 4th of October.
Why are you laughing?
Of 4th of October at Blue House and then I was like, but I am grand ne as
As a person.
because there's no anybody, hi Flash, I need a photo. I'm not don't care around them go now. There's only for us to take a photo.
Okay.
Do you know who I am?
Listen, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't know about Flash.
Same.
Where's that? Okay.
Because just a normal person.
I'm like photo shoot. Yabo. Okay, now the guys get photo. Can you speak?
Yeah,
Yabo?
no tetep suku.
I don't remember banana bani, but that's banana. Oh, okay. That's banana Nancy.
Now
At the shop,
Tikhona nathi lewe ndikhale yenza no dano Bianca yabo siflex then sifote siqhasha umculo bukela abantu bami yabo kathiwa no
Music video.
and I was like oh my gosh ndime kule ndawo tabaleka thoni kathiwa no nguflash kuma and I was like ingoma yami ngumhluzi ingoma yami ndiyaziyo honestly bendingamazi shame
And I'm not hard alone.
and so mina kwaba abantu ngiqona ungombi yena athi mazi so mi serious kuthiwa nango I'm like oh
It's very painful, man.
Ungamazi nyani, I'm
It's very
serious.
painful because it brings that argument of ukuthi umuntu funke enze ntoni to be
To reach celebrity status.
yes, thank you, to reach
Ah.
celebrity status. Because of Flash, I felt like we treated the Flash as umuntu wesiqhawulela naphika. Local is like local rap, but you get me.
honestly and
Upcoming.
hey man thule
Yeah,
Oh,
because
Kwesiza.
guys,
no
do you understand? The
guys.
Flash did stay with
Oh,
MT.
MT, all of the
Urban.
native or younger chief, because in the minute I feel like man ilanda bawusuka happy because even to go Eastern Cape mase ndibuya apha andizibona as a celebrity mbona ayisuka nguJack lo because
but it's all about maximizing your resources. I feel like the nigga failed. Or if management yakhe failed him.
siyavela ku channel
Management yakhe.
Management yakhe failed him because you can't meet the likes of Abu Yanga Chief MT. He
Yeah.
was not in MT's label.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
fine. Baxabana ne.
Oh.
Fine. But kaloku business is business. Whatever her personal shindig they did outside, it must not interfere with business. Because those people signed a contract.
yeah.
So a contract must still produce Lando Itetrai contract. Yonge land Flash is still
Yeah.
entitled to whatever the contract stipulates. Fine. But if he's supposed to receive the sum of 1,000 or indondon genyanga, he's still supposed to get that money.
Yeah.
He's not supposed to be cut off. And I felt like he cut him off, and as a country or as hip hop listeners, as if fans or like supporters,
Yeah.
I failed.
we failed him.
Yeah.
We failed him to so but management ka Flash, the reason why he didn't reach the certain status he was supposed to, management yakim failile naye he's also to blame because he got a big head because Umhluzi reached heights
Yeah.
he thought he could not reach, and then Wapol. He's not supposed to show.
And Bianca, the Indian you can never say ukuthi mhlambe I as the head of e-podcast,
Yeah.
I failed you guys. But guys, do you understand? E-producer gives you a platform to do a certain thing, and we have a duration
Yeah.
ukuthi by this time I have to be in some places, I have to do gigs, I have to be
Yeah.
and also sometimes ngoma ezinga.
Yes.
Now, what do I do with that platform? Because I do believe we're given a platform and a time. So it's so sad, man.
It's so
to
sad
see
what?
artists, even our locally.
Yeah.
But I won't
Yeah.
mention any names. But it is so sad. It is so sad. But I won't mention any names.
get you, my G.
You get.
I get you,
I'm still London.
Yeah.
get you,
Do you feel me? So yeah, man. Guys, do you consider us as celebrities to what
Extent.
To what extent?
But-
Because I'm saying we have Mills. Mills is doing great job.
Yo,
I do believe.
Sustika.
Yo,
Hi,
hi
Sustika.
Hi Sus.
Yeah, that song.
Do you get me?
When the Ingoma, wait, is he
With
featured Lamfana Low?
I think
Tall
Ipiti
Ricky.
yake. I
Tall
think
Ricky.
Ipiti yake.
So Tall Ricky, that guy, man. My God.
Chomi Aibo.
It's not even the same rhythm. It's not the same rhythm. You're not even.
But ngusho.
Yo, Antimas.
And I'm mad. Funusel.
I-
I sus
let's it-
kalachon. I sus boost. Kandik boost.
Kandik boost.
Kandik boost.
Abayas and
Same
as
I
the
kalachon. I sus kalachon. And I'm mad. Funusel. I sus
kalachon.
kalachon. Aibo. It was in Ngosi Yamandebele.
Okay.
The breeze.
No, Bengo,
No,
Rogo
Bang,
remix.
Rogo remix.
Which bang?
Bang wrong.
Oh.
Marvin Bang. Yep. Yeah, style. Yep. I knew. Otherwise, yeah, man. To what extent do we consider a band? So when I personally,
celebrate.
what is your definition of celebrate?
Angajibuzi mina.
Zenza ucingo kunem. I don't know if fan base like
Yabona thina
I come ku fan base lonto like
Yeah.
fans.
But
Fans.
but look, Base as a fans, do you consider Base as a celebrity? Do you know Base?
Most people
You
don't know
Base?
him.
Diamazo base.
Yeah, what's Base?
Or
Because nala ngoma yakhe don't mthina ku TikTok mas.
Yeah, utenda bam. Yeah.
Don't yonke lonto you.
So do you consider Base a celebrity?
No.
So what is the definition of a celebrity?
say-
If I say up.
Susu.
No.
I know.
Well, what
Guys, I'm trying to.
celebrate.
Do you think when you celebrate?
I'm not a celebrity. I'm not. I do.
Honestly, if no eGauteng yena, abuya apha. Everybody. Because
I do.
Kapandle kwam.
Haters of.
Then ayolile.
But you local
Aibo.
celebrity.
I am a local celeb. No.
So is her.
Yeah, what
do you
including
mean?
yourself?
No.
What do you mean?
Including yourself.
What do you mean?
No, you guys are the most recognized faces in the podcast.
Really?
Yes. Awa.
Ah.
So you guys are the celebrities.
So I'm
Besides-
Ilana did the local celebrities. We're now cause on us as more
This is more than dog. Ngikona heko banana tikom.
Ifeleb kaloku is a Facebook
It's a Facebook celebrity.
Ayo Feleb.
We're not the Facebook celebrities.
No, Kanye, he's Leno City. There's celebrity, there's public figure. Public figures.
I think I'm not a celebrity. I feel like I'm a public figure.
Yeah.
Because I know I have to consider my content because some of what they are watching. So I have think so all the guys in this like abantu be going down the Zambai. Do you get me, ne? But anyways, moving forward.
Yes.
There's been
Awusoze Mr. Producer ucing.
Yeah.
I think even go producer lusu.
Excellent.
Na phone yakhe. Awusoze.
I saw look, but I do. There's the case of Fort Hare University that has been going.
Okay, let me get into that.
Asina there's any bad news most. Akwamipanga.
Aye.
Nothing.
Oh, Konumpang.
Oh,
There
gosh.
is umntana wase Archie who was shot to
yeah.
death. Is it Ntombi mos?
Yes.
Ntombazana.
Was a pirine.
Yes. She was shot to death. As to what the reason was, it's still unclear. There is a lot of speculation as the podcasters. I am not allowed to say something allegedly this, allegedly that, because
Yeah.
even allegedly can
Oh
get
my
me into
God.
jail.
Kinako.
Kinakwe. Chomi bulatsina man. Kinakwe. Chomi bulatsina man. Chomi. Sorry. But there's a lot of speculation about the cause of death. Awucinge. Awusoze. Chini, awuneswekile. We've already registered that Mr. Jack has diabetes on the podcast because awusoze kaloku. Unengqele phakathi kwengqele ne diabetes. But Back to the murder case of the child. But I'm like,
Delibel namshana.
namandilazi, but ke achi sandile velile high school. Achi sandile veli. Andipule no nitete. Sandile. Awufundi phaya awufunde kuyatsha kaloku wena. Moving on. Umntana wase achivelile Sandile has been shot, brutally shot, and died, I think, on the spot. There's a lot of speculation about what the causes of the death was. Apparently, she saw something she was not supposed to saw, or something like that. I don't want to spread false news.
I think if I'm like Thomas, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, shame, man.
So she died, and she was buried this past Saturday. And and our good friend Usianda Msido Adam has also passed away due to also unforeseen circumstances. I don't know what the cause of death is. Alale ngoxolo. Ugogo Kanyisa, they called him Gogo Kanyisa. May your soul rest in peace. He's also getting buried on the 25th of October.
For sure.
I think suppose.
Suppose but we don't know the burial organization don't bazawukwenzekela phi and stuff but okwangoku nathi we sisakhala nani family, condolences to his friends and family. We hope nani nifumana ukuthula noxolo, and condolences to the 9 students or 5 students that is Solekileyo Fort Hare University Alice campus that died during the fire that was set in the campus. And the reason, apparently, for those who were not well informed, the unrest at the University of Fort Hare was triggered by students demanding Democratic Student Representative Council, which is the SRC, elections after the university appointed an interim SRC, which students viewed as unlawful and undemocratic. They also called for the resignation of Vice Chancellor Sakela Buhlungu due to his contract extension, which students believed was violated higher education governance norms. Students felt their voices weren't being heard, and the university management wasn't fully engaging enough with them meaningfully. The university's decision to appoint an interim SRC instead of holding elections led to the tensions between students and management. The issues led to the violent protest, destructions of property, disruptions to academic activities, which estimated damages ranging from 250 million to half a billion, which is 500 million, because Bachi say a building that was 20 million baby sando upgrade, I think bine lab kodwa ngaphakathi ilab ebisando upgrade for sciences, also the IT don so kuchiswe things that are worth money. And there are also things that are not worth money, which is lives. 5 lives that were taken. So abantwana kuthiwa the academic year will be resumed the following year, which is 2026. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss B. I want us to.
I love how nizinza xa ndithetha.
Let's go on.
I just love that, guys. I just love that, guys. Madame Bianca Natasha. Thank you.
But I want us to hop in this Linduka Yabo, whereby the brand stuff, because I feel like it's a stupid move, because it's a dumb move in the Uchisa Izindo. But about that way, once involved in protest, they can argue with me.
I'm not sure. I was not involved in this protest, but also, as much as you may say it's dumb, some will see it as a revolutionary movement, and I get it. I'm Antla.
Honestly, that's it on that.
You know,
2019,
because there are schools. Look at Miseducation.
Yeah.
For example.
Yeah.
People who have watched Miseducation, they felt like that guy was in power for too long and needed to be removed kwenzela izinto zizoprogressa. Mhlawumbe they felt that this election of this new SRC person was not the brightest move for the university. And it's fine. Nathi mhlawumbe pha ikhala if besibona balamfana akenzi but ke besebenza umntana abantu ansalazi igama lakho, shout out to you. Ansalazi igama lakhe shem besebenza lamfana. He was for the students and by the students. He was chosen by the students and worked for the students. So if bezosebenza, if bekuthiwa kukho ezinye elections, I would say mna bezingadingeki uba zibe khona aseseqhuba yebo. But if abafundi felt like law does not stand for the morals and the values of the students, then makavai. So if management iti no akazovai, he's chosen by us, then get students attention. I felt like ke ngoku kule point ngebethise amavili usually don't build a building fondi.
That is my argument. But ke
graduates ziyasithuka because there was Miss Siko. Ke mangise name ka Siko on Facebook. This Siko man, Siko. Okay, there's a Facebook influencer, Facebook whatever. You may call it a public figure. But she's a pretty lady on Facebook that sells stuff. Kube kunye nabo collect by Sinovet Boy.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Sabu Isa Koniwe, but she's not an Isa Koniwe because Isa is a very different person that I have. So kweza leagues, you know. She said, nae uchilo, same statement, but this thing of burning buildings is very dumb. And they called her out for not having a grade 12.
Oh.
And they also called her out of not being a graduate and not understanding what the students are going through. And I'm like, okay. So I don't want to argue because and you're graduate. Yeah. Did you drop out in fact?
But still.
Hi man,
But still.
Did you drop out in Jena?
Hi man, so you make a quarter.
But can still.
Uthini uyeka esikolweni kanti?
Khami man.
But
Hi man.
So I don't want to comment kakhulu. I get your point. I feel like for to burn a building that is beneficial to you students and other students. Imagine ngokwabanye abantwana afuneka bagraduate next year. Abazograduate ngoku
because yonke into
imile.
Because for example, I saw like it's a formal letter ukuthi parents from international
for international students must come and collect their babies.
Yes. And bathathu kufike even ibhaki zamapoli ayebhayi
ibhaki lanto
elephant yonke into yathi basadimbaza bangena
futhi
agoduka. Fuck off. Because I feel like guys
imagine always a Joburg ofunde Alice uzothini ingekho mali in cupcakes economy.
Oh man,
guys, you can never
burn iskolo
because you can't tell me about wena sino the example that I made earlier. I can't say I'm protesting for your podcast and then switches as a student. Do you get with Martin? Because it is possible that in few weeks time, in few months time, but meanwhile
iskolo. Some people forget that iskolo and other infrastructure are built on taxpayers' money. So your average mom who's a teacher, your dad who's a police officer, your nurse will be doubled because tax will be used in the process for you to build something that was already there.
Yeah,
that was already doubled on their tax,
and then that tax
already. Because I think it was your aunt.
Yeah.
Say Kalaza, city guys, you don't know the amount of money I pay for tax, and then there's home and other bills that I have to take care of. Tax on its own is a form of a bill that they have to pay just for working.
Yes, why taxi high? Because foreigners, guys. Don't get me wrong.
Xenophobia.
This is not a xenophobic attack.
Wrong, guys.
Okay.
Xa mos a black person ufuna uvula i-business.
Yes.
SARS zonke zanto,
Taxpayers
tax
and stuff,
numbers,
yeah.
and stuff. Uvula shop,
Yeah.
right? My friend uvula shop. Obviously wena funeka uzithengise higher izinto zakho because
Than
wanna
my
make
friend.
profit. My friend uzithengisa at a lower price.
Because my friend
Exactly.
Abhadala
Oh, my
njani?
friend was supposed to pay tax, guys.
My friend
Suppose
wanele
wonke umuntu
kubhatala i-VAT
uyadexwa.
when buying.
Wonke umuntu uyadexwa, guys. Ifana wonke umuntu uyadexwa.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
they have
For South
Bona, they
Africans,
have
it's
money,
taxes.
surplus money to send back home.
Thini
When
Thiza
you
wam?
don't.
No, which
Welcome to South Ha.
mine kuthiwa black person abantu business minded. No,
Welcome to Azania.
Tax. Everyone should be texted.
Hayi.
I would never go to Ethiopia
Yeah.
because I don't like
Oh
their
my
food.
god. Yo.
I would just not like their food. Honestly,
Safia
I'm not
said,
sure,
Bobby,
I'm not
sugar
sure about
logo
the
obviously.
environment enzohlala kuyo. I don't care about the neighbors and the people, and I just don't like their food.
Wait, oh.
It's the food.
Yo, Ivan kuthi nefanele because I'm like, wait, oh.
Hayi,
Wait now. Okay, and
I said Ethiopia. Food.
Yeah. No man.
Don't usisitulo sakho intambo, you are killing it.
Yeah. I don't know noba ndandiseteksini kuthethwa ngazo Ethiopians. Okay, ndandiyive phi but abantu abadala baba beyithetha lento ne. Aba uthi okay, kulento yabo bafike bachate abantu bangapha ne
Yeah, for a
ama
green card,
paper.
yeah.
So, capha kwa andeni bakathatha u-cousin wakhe na omnye lo.
Yeah.
Wachatwa ke kwathiwa uhamba nami usibheka phi?
Ethiopia.
Yes. Xa esendleleni ke ngoku sesondele phaa Ethiopia ke ngoku like sefika ke ngoku indoda ithi ndinabafazi abanga. Wena uzofika ube nguanti uzogcina bonke abantwana bami awufika ube ngumfazi wami phaa. Andazi ke kuthiwa ugeli wazama njani ubuya but wabuya sezacile erongo enezifo
Is it 2011?
yeah ezifo because myeni yayiba kaloku la every chance ifumana abafazi bengekho ngena kuyi
Yambubhudla.
yeah
After see this thing of polygamy. This is why I said I'm a polyandrous hoe. Thank you very much.
Hayi.
Dabo.
Polyandry is the way forward for us women. And kuyo choose men who are very clean.
kanti kuthiwa ngihlale mosiko lo ntombi vela
But in the short space of time, she contracted.
Jesus.
no like zange ahlale ubuya kwakhe apha eSouth
Wanqumla waya kowabo.
Isongo
Khaya lakhe
ibhobhi.
Lama-
But ke this kangasokolisa abantu ahlala
Angasokolisa abantu ukuqina umzimba
Angasokolisa.
wakhe.
Because
Befunga transport.
usokolise kuba funeka siyo cash out of Bob bethu.
Damn.
Damn.
Damn, weird.
Because besingeka plan thina baba mawubhubhi. You know?
Isengqondweni.
Thandisi. Xa sithetha ke ngoku nodad bethu abajolana nabatata, not the South African ones. They not Nigerians, please. Don't cancel me. Obo Jolofina, please.
Hey.
Please don't cancel me. But you have to choose. I'm not saying don't fall in love with our
Yeah.
African brothers. Fine, do what you,
You
dala
know,
what you
African
must. Ucho no Lord cares. Dala what
Yeah.
you must. It's fine. But ingasumene choice man xa ukhetha
Yeah.
kwabatata. Ungasukhetha just any slum you see uqonde. Ay man ndayifumana i-rainbow apha nentonto. Don't date for i-rainbow. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Don't date for option like benefits.
Yeah.
Date for dating for the sake of no, I'm in love with this man. I want to build with this guy and I want to build here in South Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah. If we visit ngelo xesha, and if uyayibona ifamily yakhe like even through video calls and stuff.
Yeah.
Even if ke andiyazi man uzabathemba njani man aba bantu. Nangona lixhego lakho. The point is just not to date for food or money or status and stuff, because you find that at the end of the day aba bantu bayagula. They are sick and they're gonna make you sick, right? You're not just because you use PrEP, okay? If you use PrEP, it's fine. But if I'm using PrEP, I suggest usebenzise uPrEP, guys. And there's like into zithethwa ngona. And this was way futhi
Wena personally.
because yo
Hayi top
esibambisa
dog.
lo.
Yo.
Athi mkushiwo.
Awuyazi wena?
PrEP
No.
Plastic.
it goes ngomkhwenyana.
Yeah. Nibhubha ke ngozizchance and you get them pregnant.
Guys,
But then this is a topic. Nyani.
Ba.
Why abafana bengayifuni protection?
bengayithini?
Bengayithandi.
Bengayithandi.
Yo.
Guy,
Ayifuna.
we have a guy here.
He
Abeg answer.
uses it though.
Oh.
I have to be safe. And then
Imagine
believer
yours.
of
Oh,
protection, this
no.
no.
You even
I-
Bathi
ask,
mos ukhona
Bakuphi?
Bakuphi na?
ukhona umnye bendikhe namtitshe ku Facebook. Ekhala ngoba if usebenzile plastic efana ngathi udlala dice the whole night.
wa.
Makachinje stuff. Tin fish makachinje.
Yeah.
If usebenzisa if ubethenga utomato original makase makayothenga uchili mhlawumbe uzayiva yona
Ne.
makathi unyanisile makachinje stuff mhlawumbe istove samalahle is not as hot
Yeah.
Yeah.
mhlawumbe
That
makazame uthenga ukelvinator
Ixesha.
Talk to us.
Ixesha liyahamba. Ixesha.
yo hayi ke
Okay.
what's a bike bethu
Because
qala
happy.
dice
Usidlala isintwana lelo
Tell me
bani.
no, udlale so.
No la ngidlala isintwana because
isiqhelo mntana
hayi bo.
Girl.
Kana iqele. Kana. Okay no mamelani.
Continue,
Ngiyayenzanga la nto guys.
Over to you.
Ngiyayenzanga. Okay guys. Sine game name. Civilians. The mafias.
okay
Right?
what are the rules because
So,
I don't have a
zakhona.
poker face
Okay.
Lizakhona ne. I-rules zithi andikho kuthi ixaxiseni guys niyayazi mos. Nenasi. Nolibona uyashobala kanje. So guys ne. Amaphepha amabini ane-civilians, amaphepha amabini abhalwe mafias, right? Ochole, ithu echole i-mafias ne.
Yes.
Okay, so chola sonke mos ne. And then kuzawuthwa masivuleni sonke amehlo, right?
so
Siwavule.
sithola sivale amehlo
Sichola no like sawuthatha nje. Then ulibamba ulivule singaliboni.
So gadwa ngulento
So gadwa ngicameraman.
Ngihlela.
Ah, so gadwa ngihlela.
Sizawuvula nje basingabonani ba ubani ufumene ntoni. Kufanele kube sena sebebusweni ke. And then ke
Never
ngoku
said I don't have a poker
sithi
face.
masivaleni amehlo sonke and then siwavale, right? Kuthiwe i-mafias masivule amehlo. Zona zizo zodwa ezizawubonana. No, ngazumzekelo kaloku.
ngathi sithi
Mhlambi zona nanayithanda umzekelo sizithole ne kuthiwe makuvalwa amehlo i-mafias masivula amehlo sibonane soyi-2 no-cameraman asibone nohlela asibone yabo then kuthiwe masivaleni amehlo masivale i-mafias sivale kuthiwe masivula amehlo sonke ke ngoku and then ke ngoku wonke umuntu lapha funeka akhangele yintoni
Imafia.
funeka ukhangele yokuqala
Isela.
if ke ngoku athi nguJack abuJack eyisivili uJack uzawuphuma funeka Jack khangelwe enye imafia mhlawumbe kuphinde kuthiwe nguBianca abumaBianca eyisivilian
Ndizophuma manje civilian.
i-mafias is the point uyayibona andiyazi game
i-mafias is the point
zizawina kaloku
Zizawina kaloku.
zizawina kaloku
Umzekelo,
because aninano yi-2
Civilians.
civilians anikwazanga ukhangela
Imali
bangobani
ngobani
Mafias.
mafia.
you get what I'm trying to say
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
ne
Let's go.
masicholeni okay masikhangeleni vula iphepha lakho
usino nguye bedrabula amaphepha uyakwazi uba
So uyawazi.
Atlas.
Eliziqobosha.
ayisendisibonile
okay guys niqibile nozibona okay
You?
niqibile uzibona mos
Yeah.
Yasindu Jack kulizana nyani
Sizokwazi
sobona
ukubona ukucinela nyani.
okay guys masijoye phambili ndicela sicumeleni sonkeni imani masicela sicumeleni sonkeni ndicela i-mafias zivula amehlo
Guys, don't laugh.
ndicela i-mafias zivale amehlo
I know.
ndicela sivule
Sonke amehlo.
yeah so
So you're trying to convince each other about who's the mafia.
Yeah.
like kaloku uzawubuza Bianca umzekelo Bianca who do you think is a mafia
Nathan
Nathan
Why do you think it's
Nathan
me?
reveal iphepha lakho
Ah,
No,
not yet,
no,
kaloku.
no,
Okay,
no,
why-
no,
okay,
no. Why do you
why?
think it's me?
you look like a mafia
That's not a valid reason. Where's the rules are to say?
oh
To
but
say
like why
there's Google votes and Google
Yeah, kaloku
Oh,
abafisa uba
yeah.
eka-
on their reasoning, but why do you
Why
think
do
I'm
you
a mafia?
look like
And
a
have a valid reason. Why do you think I'm a
you look
mafia?
like one At this point in time,
Yes, Bianca.
you look like
Yes, Bianca.
Mna, I think umafia project because because at that time kuthiwa kumakuvulelwa
Nawe
amehlo.
usewahleka.
Uye wenza intshukumo.
Nawe nithi nguye.
Ayikho loo nto.
Imagine intshukumo.
No,
I
Jack,
swear.
serious.
I swear.
I saw it to you, man.
Okay, it's my time
Nami
to
vote
talk.
yami ithi nguJack.
No, Jonga, listen,
Nathan,
Bianca.
Nathan,
Bianca, I'm not telling now. We have 2 mafias up. We have 2
Why
sides.
try to convince? Why be convincing?
Because Bianca, listen to me now.
Yeah.
Look, the time whereby Big Thomas Falena Mehlo.
We had a laugh.
I had a laugh.
I laugh
She laughed.
coming from
Bese
And then-
sonke nje.
No.
Come here, I'm in a bag. A bag save me. A bag save me.
Jonga, Bianca, listen to me.
Bianca,
A bag save me now.
Bianca, listen to me, ne? We have nothing mafias
Kodwa
two, ne?
ngivinci now.
Because Jonga, the minute kuthiwa makuthiwa mavula amehlo,
Why upianga ngoba yiyo yena?
Because I know Bianca.
uJack
I
already. Man, guys, uJack.
Nibonele.
Babonele Tom. uJack
Nibonele.
already. Send 2 votes. Jack, please reveal your paper.
No, we don't have 2 votes.
we don't have 2 votes.
uJack.
No.
I said
Uthe
uJack.
uJack. uJack uthi ngubani?
Let's vote Bianca.
Kutheni usithi let's vote Bianca sisonke Glenn.
Umlefu ngavotile ngalokho. Yes.
Uvote
everyone.
Bianca. Uthi nguNathan.
Okay, when I didn't vote.
Nguwe.
Wena uthini?
I am voting Nathan.
Mna ndithi nguwe.
So,
Tiebreak.
Tiebreak.
Tie breaker ke ngokuthi.
It should be
Makavule oqala.
rock paper scissors.
Rock paper.
I don't understand that.
It shouldn't do by the island. Don't is gonna make the game boring. Rock paper scissors tiebreaker.
Tiebreaker is rock
God
paper.
both.
Bianca.
Enzani guys, I don't understand. Nenza ubonza
Tiebreaker.
abanye.
Yo mina ndinakunation.
Honey, suqina.
Tiebreaker. Why? Bruh.
I know.
I
I'm not mad.
Why?
I'm not mad, guys. I heard you guys laughing and I laughed.
Tiebreaker.
So,
Rock,
on
paper,
rock,
scissors,
rock,
shoot.
Jack
yes,
is a winner.
shoot. Let's go.
What is a shot?
Rock, paper, scissors,
Yes, I'm
shoot.
Talon.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ulindile.
One more time.
One more time. One more
Guys, I
time.
don't even
Rock,
say the
paper,
game.
scissors, shoot.
Exactly.
Okay. So
Exactly.
you lost 2
Yo.
times too.
What I'm telling you guys.
Release yourself.
Bianca,
I
please.
trust you, Tommy.
Bianca, it's try for you. It's try for because I'm like talking for tell number 2.
No.
Fucking civil here. It's try for you. It's try for you, Bianca. They're going to vote against
No, kusindle mafia. Ngisho bekuwena.
Bianca, I'm telling you.
Onyasile ubhuti TV luhleka and
I'm telling you. It's fine. Okay,
No.
it's fine.
Bhuti.
I told you.
Why
From the beginning.
Let's vote. Vote on what I'm out of the game.
Mafi.
Kunathan.
Wena uthi ndim? Wena uthi
Nathan.
Nathan? Mna ndithi nguNathan.
I guess it's okay.
Nathan's cool lecho mama.
Look, Bianca, look. I told you.
Hi.
This ain't fake.
I knew it.
So ke ngoku.
Abantu abangakhosekemini bayathula. Bangasekemini bayathula. They should.
Hayi so ngaphoto nje siba yithuke ngoku.
Savotela city.
Oh. Ayisana up.
Uba why?
But why you're not a mafia?
Yo hayibo.
Why when?
Imani.
When I was
Guys, ini neza mna kwazi nozichaza bethulani.
Yeah, so
Ndizothi why ndike yoma. So baqale bona besithi why maqale aba bangaphandle.
I have made up my mind.
Guys, ngakwazi nochaza mina. But uBianca, I feel like uBianca. No.
Why not?
uBianca okoqala userious kakhulu. And akafuna ujambisa ba uyimafia. Imafia is too serious. And zinobutsotso bu over. Bianca. Explain about why engeyo mafia. For sure. Bianca, you are a mafia. I swear.
Sino.
My love.
The way she's so trying to convince you guys that she's not a mafia.
I'm not a mafia. Wow.
It's so funny because
She's a mafia. Because the cousin.
but Jack would feel it from the beginning.
I
bro,
know,
but
but
I'm
Mina
not
ngingobhedo
here.
ngingobhuzu
Yeah,
ngingobhedo
exactly.
And uJack mina kanithandi bethu. uJack obviously uzothi ndim.
Victim play.
Ndikhombe
Don't victimize
Keep
yourself.
saying,
You're
you're
like serious.
you're deflecting, my Jack.
uJack okobo ngisho uyiqalile. Snovu. Kumele. Kanti mafia. Hayibo.
But it's you, my G.
I'm not a mafia. Trust
What?
me.
I'm not a mafia.
Bianca, what do you say if Sino is a mafia?
Usino uzodlala le game ayidlalayo ngoku. There is oh no guys, Bianca is so serious and this and this and this. Yeah, deflector boy. This is your game. No, I've been myself the whole game.
Same.
I fell to check the whole game and I proved to check right
So
because
there is-
I told
so
you the
like
first mafia.
Yes, Nanfelando, because I came up with the game.
No,
She feels like
game
I
of-
have played the game before. I have never.
I didn't say
I
you played
have
the game.
seen it, but I've never.
Did I say anything?
No.
Can
No.
can
Why
the
is it
panel
collective?
vote? Can
No.
Mr. Okay.
No, guys.
No, guys. Melanie, we are
Ndifela ismoko so but I came up with the game. Khange uzive
No.
uthilo.
Too much, boy.
She's also
Too
defensive.
much.
Guys,
Mamelani, guys. Sifikeni club point
Photo.
i-panel engaphandle ivote and then ke ngoku Usino if Usino loses guys because now I know now I'm not a mafia. I don't even look dangerous.
This is a suggestion.
Usino can hide
That's
drugs.
a suggestion.
Okay, we have to-
Since ingo. One.
Hayi,
one,
manje
one,
fine
one,
line
and
ndifuna uyiva.
it's
Usino can
2-2,
what?
and
Usino
it's
can hide
2-2,
drugs.
and it's 2-2, and it's 2-2. Another tiebreaker.
Usino is very capable of
Tiebreak.
hiding drugs.
Another tiebreaker.
No, but we have to vote.
It's Mr. Comfort.
No, babonile kaloku.
Nah,
Babonile bona.
So if I should
My vote. I'm saying
Ngubiyang. So
Sino
they should be
is Sino is the
tiebreaking.
mafia.
into
Rock,
andikwazi
paper,
guys
scissors,
nale.
shoot.
Rock,
That's
paper,
right.
shoot, yeah.
Andiyazi le game mna. So
Me-
Martin.
You
Ninobabili ke home.
Tiebreaker, ne?
Man.
tiebreaker looks vote is
My vote goes to Sino. Sino is-
my vote goes to you.
My son
My vote goes to you.
goes to me. Fine.
Yeah.
So wena udlalela Usino ne? So
Udlalela
but
Usino.
if uyaluza ndimofeza kuqala.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Uyazi, boy.
Kokwenza ntoni? Yabona threatness emafia.
Are you acting weird, Ngoko? But Mafia, I know you.
Mafia, John.
Sino, I know you.
I'm not.
Sino, I know
I'm
you.
not a mafia.
I know. That's all. I know, Bianca. I knew it. Because Bianca, the minute they said, open your eyes, I had
We all laugh.
Guys,
Guys,
we all laugh.
But it's not a good game.
Ikhashimuvile.
Okay, guys. But it's like honestly, guys, ndiniveni hleka nami go okay.
Kahle.
Hayi ngihlekelwa ngoba le ndlebe enza.
Kahleke thina.
Wena Nathan.
Nathan. Nathan and the developer makashumisa inhloko
Develop-
kuwe.
Okay,
Nava uhleka. Fine. Last game of
game.
Embo said
He said,
because
but I'm
kaloku
singing
uziprove
because-
wrong.
It's very wrong.
Uluze igame ozenayo boy.
Show me, I
Njani
lose
uzanga?
again. We won the round.
Because
Siyiwinile i-round.
No, besikuthi.
Okay, John.
Umjikelo simuwinile.
Yes. Hebethu.
Hey, you can. Zeka kubina mhlathi njilo nje kuni.
Hebethu.
Yazana ngami.
What
Unjeke,
game show
guys.
me game?
Mboneni. This is our friend.
Into lenza.
Nizayibona ifana exactly nale. Ha, yanyiwe. Sona lama pen.
Tell them Nathan.
Nathan, you mafia, the dangerous. I'm capable of doing anything. Yabona wena yabo dadwethu sema undi.
Kanti John especially njena.
I knew it.
Mafia njena.
Hayibo.
But you uyimafia.
But uyimafia njena,
She's
and
not
I actually
supposed to.
proved her right. But uyimafia.
As usine balapha, guys.
And
Because she tried to convince you guys that ndimafia ezaz bully men. What do you mean?
yes.
Oh, wamutu.
I really played a good
Gidi.
Because I felt you.
Ngibona ke ndisonga ndijenge kwahele. uJackie uthe ndiyawazi amaphepha. Ndiyazi ba intoni because ndisonge ndijongile. Ndisonga
Same, I
ndijenge
did say
kwahele.
the same thing, honestly.
It was Bianca, not me. You.
Bianca.
Oh, you're a hater, man.
Jom now you hate undithandi.
Hayi.
Uthe igame ibekwa.
Yini manje le? You gotta explain it.
Eh?
You gotta explain it.
Oh yes. Okay man,
She has to. Whilst you are
Ndirola,
young.
ewe. Ndirola.
Yo. Hayi.
Okay, so
Hey, I
nditheni. So guys,
yes.
oh, ayirecordishi mahloni. Into eyenzekayo kukho ipolisa, kukho umantyi, kukho umfundisi, kukho isela, ne?
So kubani sen?
Uba ubambe umantyi, ba ubambe iphepha elithi elibhalwe mantyi. Uzawuthi polisa bambisela. Uyabo?
Okay.
Funeka kukhangelwe isela bangubani.
Hayi ndim.
Sela kuJack.
Dimisela abantu kabelisela.
Umenanga isela wena mntu. You are out.
Okay. I like this.
But we have to check first, ne?
Ulipolisa funeka ukhangele isela kuthi so
No,
bathi
kaloku-
uzekele. If Jack ubambe ubupolisa. Hey kodwa
No, ipolisa
judge. Bekufamba ijudge nguhlela.
Kaloku mamela. So mandikhangele enye into yokho yesihlanu.
Kwenzela izoba fair. Kwenzela
No,
uzoba
no,
polisa
usukhangela
ayazi ba.
usukhangela
polisa has
neyesihlanu,
eight
ne?
people.
Kuzojonga kwaba bayi-3 mos.
Mamela
So
bezoba interesting.
uhlela should say ba polisa bambisela then
So uhlala-
the
uhlala
one
ngabe
unephepha
neutral
lika le polisa.
But Tommy
Nguye.
interesting xa ibanjwe ngoyi-1 wethu.
Ijudge.
Ewe ST polisa bambisele. So siyayazi yaziwa nguwe
Ba,
isela
okay.
bangubani.
Na
But
judge.
John ke izobetween abantu bayi-2 ke o.
No okay madithi maka awuyazi ke but ithi polisa bambisele.
Eh.
Ipolisa phofu lona balizivezile liphakamisa isandla lona.
No, I feel like
But
saying
John izokhetha between 2.
mayenza ulinduko. Mayenza ngihlela.
Izawuthi
Because
imhlela.
it's
Izoba
obvious
izoba
about
ijudge.
judge.
Okay then ipolisa liziveze lona.
Yeah.
So mandikhangele.
Akho lethu umbhalo uhlelo. Uhlelo uzojika
Polisa
police.
ezaba khona pha.
Ezapha.
But akazosekhetha
Akho need.
sengumantyi.
Sengumantyi already and
Usela
automatically.
phepha ngamanye ndiyazi bale lifika lokupha.
Yes, ulibona ngoko.
Okay. Oqhole ipolisa but uyaziveza yena ke ba.
Okay.
Ndimi ipolisi.
So lo wesihlanu ke ukuyintoni yena?
Uzawuvela lo sihlanu yabona le benze.
Uyi-civilian.
Igqwetha kaloku.
Kanye civilian.
Civilian.
Miyeka sayazi unemantyi iyeke ngahlani. Bianca.
Okay.
Siyayazi.
Yeke.
Ifana nalena man guys but ke ipolisa
Sela.
ikhangelisela.
Do your job ngoko.
Yabo. But balehlulekile likhangelisela lalo. Liyaphuma.
So kodwa police akhangelisela and then we pick up amabhetho.
Must pick up ngo.
Ndikude andifuna
Paul balisela.
Okay. Yo? Akalisonge.
Usongele xabade.
Ayisoze. Akathinki. Ayisoze.
Masithuleni.
Yes, over to you.
Over to you,
Over to
Tata.
you put. Also the police. Yo, Aisana, you are so arrested my baby.
Jonga.
What?
No like
Why police?
Ndim police. Bentatshwa lipolice izolo but asikhola.
So who do you think is a seller?
Oh, 17 ngapha. I'm innocent.
Innocent. Guilty until then. Proven innocent.
I'm innocent as.
Kaloku guys in play game. Play game good.
Okay, kaloku
So
awuthi ndim. Uzongo.
Chila kaloku.
I am innocent as a
Chila.
judge.
sober as a judge.
Oh, sober.
Innocent as a judge.
Sorry.
Yo,
Ayisana. Yo.
Tata serious role yakhe.
Ubona?
Ubani? Ubonisa yena, kabonisa thina.
Okay, so
Ithina lento.
Kaloku ubonisa thina.
Ubonisa thina kaloku
Ubonisa yena.
uyintoni? Uyintoni tatana?
Dingmanje.
Yabona la nto besikudingeka elinye iphepha.
Libana nele phepha.
Civilian. Say
we civilian ka.
Akuphumele.
Akuphumi
Uluzile
police.
kaloku
Phuma
wena. Phuma wena uluzile because khange ulifumane.
so this is another round.
So isela maliziveze. Uyayiphif.
Para.
Buyisa amaphepha.
Nditshilo kuwe ndathi andizabawulibalisela. Because wow.
Hey.
Hey, ngathi phosa amathambo sana. Thatha Jack. Siyaphinda kaloku enye round.
Susa lokho ungesusweli kamanje. Bheke isifine.
Oh gosh.
Ngafika ndithathe lona ke sanzi. Because I'm definitely not the thief.
Uphumile. Oh
Susa bathathu kanene. Oh, to you hlela.
The thief.
Kaloku elapha funda ngifuna khangela if umuntu enemantyi between na2 makathethe leya.
Sesaziwa.
Jani bazenza
You
sewusaziwa.
a cop.
Kaziyo.
You cop.
Kimankop.
Nguwe chomi cop. Police masose sibandisela wena.
Masakubona funda.
Yo.
You a cop ne.
Vula. Uvule.
Uvuleni.
Ubone? Yo.
Police mabandisela.
Okay, thetha bra. Police ubambisene. Yo.
Police.
Yeah, police pants. Look me in the eye. I want to feel the energy. Hey, the kubushit.
Sanga wamthanda kwisindo.
Kuyabona apho kanye.
Uyakhangelayo.
Sorry John.
Hayi sifikika. Yo, sifikika hlela. Nyanyana.
Because it's so
Khona kubushit. Neli kubushit. Eli serious ngokile. Eli lapha ecambani.
Maybe she's trying to convince you. I don't know.
Nate. Nate. Hayi. Ayenziwa lona kumuntu ophumileyo. Buphumile.
Okay. Lalisela.
Not defensive ones.
Oh my gosh, I'm arrested.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm fucking arrested.
I gotta shout out to Cinnamon for the games.
Next time, there's an agenda
Yeah. So we're still good with the time. Okay. Tata. Otherwise, umphathi secolors.
It's fine.
Ted,
Next episode.
No, Ted. Ted.
I heard it on the radio, guys.
Yes,
I
Ted.
was
Hello.
going to a king, ne?
Yeah.
I heard it on the radio. Glenn Bake.
Ha! Every bone in this dog.
Yeah.
Yes.
I heard it on the radio. Ben DCI down. So I was listening. Go back, exit taxi now, not choice. And I don't have a car, guys. You
Unfortunately. Unfortunately.
Unfortunately, and in a motor. So I was listening by force. But it was a very interesting topic. But how can you tell when a lady is into you?
As a guy, ne?
Yeah.
How
Kaloku ya switch perspective xa sisiya cheating.
It's very
But
So
how can
we
tell when a guy likes you?
Can
Okay,
you please start? No, can you please start?
Yeah, pa. How can you tell when a lady likes you? And how can you tell when a guy likes you?
Hey, I feel like it's
So
a
Tina Climate thinks it's on the perspective of each
The
like
girls.
tanned.
Yeah.
Then Nani game is from the perspective when a guy.
Likes you.
Yeah.
Eye contact kodwa umthando.
Hayin.
Yes, dimlibele. Yes.
Hayin underage.
Underage. 14.
Underage, hayi.
Uyaphi?
Okay, from a
Some
guy's
push and
perspective, the things I feel like, number one, we do have different ways of showing love.
Yes.
Because I feel like ngokukhathalela. I'm a lover by nature, but unfortunately, I'm not and then the animal. ayangizama. But I do believe money ubayilento ufuna yiyo umuntu. But yes, I was talking about myself. Ukuthi I'm a lover naturally, so dokubonisa eventually ukuthi I care for you. I like you to compliment. Damn, you look beautiful. Give it a combo. Okay, you know what? I will start writing poems for you. I'll start recommending songs for you. But not due to personal reasons. No, it let grade 3.
Kaloku sabhale letters kaloku.
And grade oh yes, supper letters. But I developed from letters to poems. But yes, so I'll recommend songs for you. I'll write you poems. I will compliment you. I will want to make. I will want to take you out on a dinner, man. On a date. Yeah, I'm a nice guy like that, but
Hey, niyaphoswa ladies. Baniyadlala.
Keluvi poem ni one.
A freestyle.
A freestyle. Yeah, freestyle.
One palelena. Ay palincho mi poem yana. Yo.
I will blip it
Show me
out,
my
man.
palelena poem. Where's ni shed trauma. That Roger, me have a very too okay. Ask her.
That's Mr. Pizarro made that.
Oh, yes.
so
That's my friend.
Oh, damn.
yeah.
Shout out to my colored friend, you know my bro.
Yeah,
The
my
day I
kind.
said Blue House the first time.
But
Roger.
no, I didn't. I haven't wrote a poem for Yena because it's a bad spacing. Yeah, because of course the actions it's not right but yeah, but I hope and if she's watching and
Uzawubukela. She's my support.
so hi, I won't mention your name, but you know
yourself.
yeah, man, as a belief, man, as a
Andathanda
belief.
uyibuza. Ebantwini. Apha efaka ibuza. Give one message to your
message to
ex.
ex and message to ex.
No, give it.
Kubohlobo qhubanga.
Oh,
Hey, ndibonela
iyojika phambili hamba Juba.
Kuba.
Bayokubona
kubohlobo qhubangala and congratulations.
About Gongeza on your new relationship.
Congratulations to your
same
new
gender.
congratulations to your new relationship. Congratulations to man, who's my ex?
Hayi, awunabe.
if ayikulungeli kwelicala uyakwela cala. Yeah. Yo.
Thank you.
I feel like it's a matter of being confused, man.
Big
No,
C.
it's not being homophobic and stuff, but it's a
It's
matter
not,
of
Yeah,
it's not
because
homophobia because we are shocked as the bisexual community.
Banayo,
Banayo, wow, you're in the bee. Like a bee, in the hottest honey bee.
wow.
In the beehive. Wow. Welcome.
But yeah, man. Hi, man. So I'm a lover, yes, man. Yes,
So, you
set.
know, how can you tell when you like someone?
Oh gosh. Ndiyacinga Shom. I always think about the person. Yeah, now I'm a writer Shom. I'm gonna write something but awuzuyibona wena.
Oh, wow. Why don't you send?
Why ndizokusendela because andifuna uzijambisa ba okay ngiyancanywa.
Hayi
But
bo.
yeah, xa ixesha andingomntuzivezayo ba ndiyancanywa until nam I do care. Ngibona ngokukhathela too much and I'm always there for you, like I always show up. I always show up. Gosh, I don't know about ndingayichaza njani. Andizichazi man, but umjita can tell ba okay iyancanywa le.
Top dog.
I don't really ziveza myself, yabo.
Yes.
No. But ke umntu
Ndokubona.
akude kuboneni uzobona ba man.
Yeah, an observant guy. Nani majita engathi niyaziphosaniza apha ibo ilotho le.
P.
Ilotho le.
Hey P.
National lottery. You know,
Sing
lottery.
already, Domingo.
Usino is the lotto. She is the prize.
Oh.
Yes. You, if umuntu uyakubuza ba, what do you bring to the table? You are the table and the chairs that come with the table.
Oh. Okay.
So you can sit and sinza and eat, and you are the food because you are the prize. The whole furniture, in fact. Mazambe.
What do you bring on the
I don't know
table?
what to say.
Wait, now what do you bring on the table?
I just told you what I bring to the table. I have
Nuts?
the whole furniture.
All furniture.
Double glaze.
Uhlala kumutya kum. In always.
No, I don't even know what to say.
Masande.
Nyansi that should be.
Kaloku angandichazi message too.
Message to your ex.
Oh my word.
As long as you can.
No, Lisa. No.
Continue, the floor is yours.
I know he's watching. He's always watching.
Oh,
Sabath, I love you. I'll always do. Take
Hayi
care.
uthi bani?
And I care.
Yo.
Igama
Uthi I
endibiza
care.
ngalo. No, he cares naye.
Uthini?
Like we're best friends now. Yeah.
Asenze
Animazi
Not
kaloku.
over to
It's not
No,
your
like
ex.
mna andinguyela mntu bethinani bantu hlukene nawe funeke caba sijamelane
Same,
uthweni.
but that's not your ex.
No, he best friend yam ngoku.
Hlala phaka kwaSathana.
Hayi bo.
Exactly.
Ah.
Esther.
No, guys.
Better kafumananga le yam. Guys kuthiwe ndibolile.
Uapile uthe.
Oqala uthe wawuzothi uqaphile kodwa yazi ba ulitye apile. Okay. Ngoba I can't think at that time la nto ba hey uyazazi ba nditye neapile ngona. Wow. Yes. Emva koko uthi kuze athi ndibolile actually. Unikwekwe kwi-status guys bayadika abantu abakwekwayo guys xa uthetha namthatha uthetha ke straight now
Directly.
Thetha
directly.
thetha now
Yini uthi ngibaqombisa? Apple. Yini apple of his eye?
The apple of my eye.
Oh,
Yes, but the first fruit in the whole wide world is an
Iapile.
apple.
yeah
Aibo, what do you mean?
uposte i-chats ke
Yo da
Yeah,
hayi
okay.
sana. Yo.
Yes.
I'm going
Because
to
uefa ngeKPR kaloku.
Yo hayi sana.
Mamela
poste
isitori serious.
i-chats yabo poste i-chats show me
Tommy, hayibo.
on i-status
Sisilapho ngoku.
show me ulapho uposte
ukuphi imbilini
uposte
yakhe.
uposte
Like,
i-chats
he's been waiting
on
for this
on
opportunity.
on WhatsApp right xa sibani sithi okay ukhuphone lana uqonga xa ujonga i-chats man ungayijonga i-caption ngoba ingilani khanye ndiyijonge at that time xa ndibonayo man ezi chats no man ewe bendirongo shem andizula andalinto
Yes, yes.
hayi bendirongo
Long uvuma.
hayi bendirongo bendirongo into kaStrawberry ne bendirongo shem uStrawberry bendirongo kakhulu but chomo ngiqalile eza chat started at 21st kaSeptember 21st kaSeptember bendipha
P.
bendipha kuwe 21st September bendipha 27 wathi sakhumbule sithi nobana do uphangeli night wara tos so akazuba available kanti uya text okay
Bangaphangela insolo.
as fresh yathi i-caption ba yabisithi tobana eza ibilonto wethu nabe ndifuna shwangathele yonke laa nto besithi omenza kubona nini no wathi current qala wathi umuntu wami ntontoni current caba ukhona olandelayo there's another one why uzombiza current okay sure but unemployed
Unemployed.
So we current.
ndimo current
Oh, this guy, yes.
ndimo current phofu
Yes.
kolapha
ukhona
ndimo current ukhona omnye olandelayo
Hayi.
yathi caption I rejected fresh meat for rotten one
Yo.
ichila i-caption
Kabuluma.
Ukai.
ichila i-caption
Ukokai man.
Ngaze nibonele
and
my
I
sponge.
entertainer mine iyadlula 2 hours ngo niyanditya le nto yobona xa ndimbhalele tsho ndithi koma ndimlobolela yo tsho udityiwe ngondim ndibolile wathi sibani isithukuthezi ukumbona ndibhizi mna anihleka torho
Ahlekise khubi siyakhula.
wo WTF mntakabayo what the fuck okay
Witness the
wathi i-lax text yakho nalo Jesu sosovala ngayo eminyanga ndiyifundi hey
Hayi.
Uyayibukela i-podcast. As long as it's
uyayibukela
Thank you for viewing.
uyayibukela
I have to go through its subscribers and watch it. The recent.
Sizokhangela.
Bawuqala ubukela ngo-19.
Wena wesizomazi.
uthi uyibukele abathi oqoma kuzo zonke futhi othi apile le ungayityiyo
yo.
but
So, okay.
Yeah, hayi
Make,
April.
asesiqukumbela
Hey,
mna.
message to your ex.
What is the message to your ex? Andifuna uba ubuza what do you know when a guy likes you because ukule situation.
Hey.
Imbi.
A message to your ex, my
Hey,
G.
hey.
wish you well ne but usozomfumana ofana nami chomi
Oh.
Hayibo.
asozomfumana ofana nami
But uzawuthi that's the point.
kuba umuntu nokubela imali kamamaki asozomfumana ofana nami
Usibale imali kanenzika
ndaba
ngenxa
imali
yakhe.
kasonke ngenxa yakho wena mfana asozomfumana ofana nami
Uyipha yena. Uyambetha.
ndandimkhupha
Ingabuphi wesithandwa sami
manje
kuyaba Oh yeah,
It explains that thing
we
that I saw.
did see something.
I saw it.
Condom.
Why are you hiding it now?
I didn't see anything.
It's not there.
Unhiding,
Stop
don't
hiding.
Unhiding, don't.
Yeah, I was wondering what-
Otherwise, this is Culture Convo podcast.
Andikwazanga nothetha but masambini. Good night Maqela.
Yo, hi, good night.
Nilaleni kamandi apho nisibukele khona.
Another Wednesday.
Another Wednesday, guys. 3 p.m.
Chai.
Khaya.
Yeah,
Yay.
Linus Scandal.
Just so shocked.
Otherwise, this is Culture Convo podcast.
Podcast.
We're always back, and thank you so much for staying with us. We're on a journey of 20 episodes.
Yes.
We promise to deliver more content. We always do. We promise to bring like a new session in our channel.
Yeah.
And also, guys, we love you so much. Continue subscribing. Shout out to
Danko.
332 subscribers.
Wow.
I think there were more last time.
Okay.
More.
Otherwise, this is Culture Convo podcast. Every Wednesdays we're here at 3 p.m.
Yeah.
And don't.
Thank you to our sponsors, Baza Photography,
Yeah,
Nature
man.
Plain Water, Kaya Kulu,
Oh, yeah.
Privilege,
Grr.
Gotwa's Residency, Stebe Senjoli, Mr. Bambino at the back, cast members, Mercy, The Problematic, The Queen of
Mambe.
Highlights, Mr. Dan, Miss Jack, the top dog, the biggest of them all, and of course, yours
Miss B.
truly,
Ah,
Miss B.
you forgot
And
somebody.
Stella B. And of course, Umhlesko, and I'm Shelly Bele.
Oh.
My little brother right
Funeka
there.
vele, man.
Yeah, bazombona but i-ladies zawukhala. Yes, sis. Yeah, don't forget to tune in.
Double
Ex
glaze.
yakho, mamakho, tatakho noba wakushiya, othenga ubisi zangabuye.
Uzangaphinda
Don't
buye
forget-
umtexten.
Yebo.
Do not forget to pray,
Believe and live.
Thank you.
Bye.
Aye.
Sa-na-na-na-na.